So, this Safari pedals fucker just doesn't leave me alone, man. He keeps sending me plugins after plugins after plugins. And I've been working myself, man. Come on. Come on. A few weeks ago, I sampled my daughter's drum kit just for fun. And I made it into a Kontakt library. So I'm fine-tuning it just for my own use, just for fun. Maybe I'll put it on the website. I don't know. Let's see. It has 4 sounds. Bass drum. Crappy snare. 1 tom. And a cymbal. If you put it on a beat, yeah, fun. But I added some features like digital tuning and some microphones and reverb, and you can do pretty crazy stuff. So let's do it like that. Tempo up, and you get this. Tune it up, tune it down, do whatever the fuck you want. But pretty fun. So this Safari pedal dude just keeps stalking me. So I thought, let's check out what this guy is doing. And he made some new plugins. So let's see, we have a Dirty Dog Overdrive Reverb and a Fox Echo Chorus. This looks pretty cool. This looks like a classic Safari pedals layout. So let's first see what this Dirty Dog Overdrive and Reverb does. So this is the DS Drum RCS Essentials, just on a mahogany dry settings. It sounds like this without any effects. Well, let's add some reverb. So what I noticed and what I find pretty cool, because it looks like one reverb, but it's actually, my guess is more different sounding reverbs in this thing. Because when you open up the time knob, you get longer reverbs, but they also sound different. Check this out. This is a completely different one than this. It's more like a room. The sound is different. Here also you get it gets darker, right? More lush. A fucking cathedral shit. But the tone of the reverbs is different, so my guess is he's using different impulse responses there. Pretty cool. Yeah, you have a pre-drive. You can bypass here like all the other Safari pedal plugins. Really cool. You have a high pass and a low pass filter for the reverb. Cool. Pre-delay. Yeah, everybody knows what the fuck is pre-delay, right? If you don't, look it up. And there's a gate. So this one already sounds a bit gatey to me. And it's not even on now, but okay. So let's open up this freaking reverb and let's see what this gate can do. It looks like the input is too low. It doesn't really react as I hoped. You can see at the light here that it doesn't open the gates completely, so it's probably an input thing. Okay, whatever. Maybe you use some drive. Yeah, pretty cool reverb. Not sure if I'm going to use this drive bullshit on this reverb, but you have some different sounds and immediate filters and immediate gates. We got some oversampling that's pretty useful when using a lot of drive and a lot of distortion on your plugins. We don't want aliasing. Nope. Let's see how that sounds on the kit drums. Let's put that up in tempo. Up. Yeah. Pretty fun, right? Go check it out. The other bullshit plugin. Yeah, this is apparently a remake of a classic Boss Echo or whatever the fuck. Who cares? We care how it sounds. We don't care how it looks. Yeah, a little bit, right? Okay. We want it to look cool. But at the end of the day, it's all about sound, right? Okay, let's go. What the fuck is this? We have a chorus thingy. Just put this still there. Okay, let's put it back to a normal tempo. No, we don't want a kit on speed here. Whoa. Okay, auto gain, just like the other Safari plugins. That's useful not to get biased by a louder sound. So input level, you can see when you engage the auto gain, the output level compensates. Yeah, nice. Thank you. That's lovely. Noise. Okay, what the fuck is this noise doing? I'm not hearing anything. Okay, no what the fuck does this noise do? Let me see in the manual. The blend, noise, and output features control over the combination of sounds that you choose to use in the plugin. Go crazy. What? The blend, noise, and output features control over the combination of sounds that you choose in the use the plugin. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, the noise doesn't do anything on its own, but if you use chorus or echo or sons of bitches, you add noises or something, like you taking a shit or something. I don't know. What the fuck are you doing there, man? Let me know in the comments. Noam, come on, don't fuck with me. I love you. I'm just fucking with you. So let's see. Chorus. Different echo sounds. So there are different modes. These give you different sounds and different time signatures in the kind of delay. We call it echo, but it's kind of delay, right? Cool. Sound on sound. Okay, crazy. So the echo And the sound on sound kind of delay thingy uses these controls as well. So you can use a single repeat or multiple repeats and change the intensity and the repeat rate here of the sound. So this is one part. So what you got in one plugin is a chorus, a delay, and a reverb. Let's see how that reverb sounds. Okay. And we have an EQ section here. Okay. Oh, now I'm hearing noise. The fuck? Whatever. When does this... Okay. Now it's gone. The fuck? Okay. It seems like some kind of bug. I don't know. Now I have noise, but I don't like that. Now it's gone. So it comes and goes. It's crazy noise. Safari pedals, crazy noise. Okay, let's go. But kill it. I don't need it. Okay, pretty cool. So what do we have in one box? And that's what I like in plugins. So you don't have to load up 4 plugins if you need this kind of stuff in one. A chorus, delay, reverb, and EQ. It comes with a shitload of presets. Pretty cool. Yeah, you can use this for vocals, for bass, for drums. So if you're in the market for some new plugins, some Safari pedal plugins, use the links below, use the discount code to get a sweet discount. And go check it out. This guy is pumping out fucking plugins like a madman. I'm not sure if this guy is still producing music, but he's creating great plugins. So let me know in the comments what you think of it, if you would use this crap. Whatever. So go check it out, safaripedals.com. Use all the links, subscribe, give it a like. Jonathan out, Rat Pack, drums.